Hello, welcome back to the tutorial of Dewlance hosting. I am Kunu and today we are going to learn how to pay invoice of Dewlance hosting via FreeCharge. FreeCharge is a online wallet. Okay, first you need to log into your client area and then click on billing. Under billing option you can find my invoices. Click on it. Okay, under my invoices you can find your unpaid invoice. Here you can see paid and unpaid or cancelled invoice. Click on unpaid invoice you wish to pay. Okay, also if you are placing a new order, then you need to choose PayUMoney option, PayUMoney payment gateway. And if you wish to change your payment method to PayUMoney, then from drop down option you can choose PayUMoney option. For example, switching to PayPal. Okay, now going back to PayUMoney option. Now click on Pay Now with PayUMoney icon. And here you can see lot of payment option. If you wish to pay via UPI, then enter your UPI address and click on Pay Now. Bank method, card, wallet. Okay, if this option is not displaying here, then from here you can choose it FreeCharge. Okay, FreeCharge. Click on Pay Now. Choose your option like AirtelMoney, Oxygen Wallet, JioMoney, HDFC Bank, Payzapp, Paycash card, Yes Pay Wallet, PhonePe, BhimUPI, OlaMoney, etc. Okay, FreeCharge. Click on Pay Now. If you don't have an account on FreeCharge, then sign up with them, or if you already have an account, then click on sign in. Enter your FreeCharge number and then click on continue and follow instruction which will be displayed on screen. Thank you for watching tutorial of Dewlance.com.